Hello student, today let's know about leveling. After ploughing, the land is left with big lumps of soil. This has to be leveled sowing the seeds. This is done with the help of another tool called leveler. In figure 1.4 you can see which breaks these big lumps of soil, even either by animal or by tractor. It is important to level the soil after ploughing because after ploughing the soil often had crumbs that should be broken or crushed. So to achieve the better growth of sowed seed, it should be leveled. After leveling, you see we have to select which seed we should distribute or sow. And sowing of seeds is very important. So how to select the right seeds? Selecting and sowing of seeds have been done with extreme care and attention to get a good crop yield. Only clean, healthy and disease-free seed should be selected for sowing. So how can we select right seeds? We can know from this activity. Aim to separate good and healthy seeds from damaged and unhealthy ones. For this activity, you require to manage this material: a glass bowl or beaker, a water and wheat or gram seeds. Procedure: take a beaker and fill it with water. Step number 2: put a handful of seeds in the beaker and stir it well. Then you leave it undisturbed for some time. You will observe that some grains settle at the bottom while some float on the surface of water. We can conclude that the discolored and damaged seeds are hollow and float on water. Good quality and healthy seeds, which are rich in nutrients, settle down at the bottom. So this way we can separate the good and healthy seeds from damaged and unhealthy ones. Hello student, we have learned how we can protect our crop from weeds. Today I am going to discuss how can we protect our crop from pest. So when we say about pests are actually any kind of insect or disease causing organism or rats, so that can cause damage to the crops. So how can we protect our plants from pest? We can, to keep stray animals away from the crops, a fence can be built all around the field. So student, again I want to say it means animal which disturb our crop, and weed means unwanted plant which grow along with our crop. So if you want to protect your plants from pest, then you have to make a fence around your field so that the stray animals keep away from the crops. Another way plants can be damaged by various bacterial and fungal diseases. This disease crop can be burned so that the disease do not spread to the healthy crops. And point number 3, deep ploughing can kill the eggs of various insects and pests. Deep plugging. Another way, sowing disease resistant variety of seeds protect the plants from various disease. Means you have to take some healthy seeds which are free. Number 5, birds can be kept away by installing scarecrows or by netting the farm. So this way we can keep away birds also. 6 number, growing healthy plants is a natural way of keeping the pest away. Unhealthy plants are always targeted, and so they should be removed as soon as they are spotted in the farm. So these are the few ways by which we can protect our plants from pest. So pest is a serious problem for our crop. So you have to follow this step.